social media is a piece of your pie of your of advertising for your business, right? There's other avenues too, like we were talking about. First off, your hero clients that love you. Are they sending their friends to you?
Wow. I do want to touch on what you just said about referrals, though, because I'm going to bring it back to social media. Back in the day, here's a card for you and a card for two friends, whatever. Now, I actually have little samples of I have samples of a deep conditioner.
Right.
And I say, if you promise to take a selfie and tag me, here's a deep conditioner to take home.
Nice.
It's $1. Okay. So now instead of them handing those 2 cards out to their friends, they are tagging me. I instantly go in there and every like I friend request. Every comment I reply to. So now instead of their 2 friends maybe getting a card that they forgot about in the bottom of their purse, 950 people have seen you.
Right.
And so it really, it can all be done on social media if that's how people want to do it.
You can.
But again, it's not posting and praying. Even that person that posts that selfie, are they tagging you? And if they're not, go in and tag yourself.
So Cammie, I've got a question. Which social media platform is working best for you for building business?
So Facebook. And I know that that's probably another thing that the younger generation doesn't necessarily want to hear, but Facebook has a give and take. Instagram really is about you can't work the algorithms the same way on Instagram as far as interaction as much. There are ways, but there's not groups. There's not, local groups. It's hard to target. I have 2 Facebook pages. That's one of the things I got flamed for. The reason that I do is I have almost 10,000 followers on one of them from all over the world.
Yeah.
I don't need to build all over the world. So I created another Facebook page where I'm focused on Utah people. So I go into the Utah pages when I add people. I add people from the groups. I'm trying to build that entire Facebook page based on people that can actually drive to my salon.
So I like what you said there. I like Facebook too, but I interviewed a friend of mine a few weeks ago when Eddie couldn't be on. It was just him and I. He's the one who taught me how to use social media. And he really made it clear for me. He said, first of all, Facebook owns Instagram. You think they're going to let Instagram get bigger and better than them? They started off bigger and better. They're still bigger and better. They bought them because they're doing well, but they want to use some of the things they did well, bring it over to Facebook. Sure, they're going to support Instagram, but they're not going to let it get bigger and better. Why? I mean, Facebook's already bigger. The numbers, when you Google it, AI it, Grok it, Facebook is still the biggest, most used social media platform. But the thing that he said that really hit home for me is he said, Facebook is best for the local brick and mortar. It grows. And listen, I'm talking about the profile to start with. There's the pages and the groups. They work a little bit differently. But in the personal profile, it grows through friend requests, friends of friends of friends who usually live near each other. So it tends to grow very locally, geographically, and out from there. And that is what's good for most local businesses.